What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. If you are a new viewer, welcome to Kenny J TV. Feel free to browse around and check out the channel, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to Kenny J TV. In this video, we're going to be talking about a very important question that I get and have not addressed on my channel yet, and that is, who am I talking on the phone with all day as an insurance professional? When people book calls with me and they're starting their agency or just getting into insurance, they love to ask, who are you on the phone with all day? How do the conversations go? Do you enjoy it or do you not? I will start this or preface this by saying, I don't have to be on the phones all day if I do not want to. Of course, a lot of my deals and transactions are handled over the phone, but there have been times where I have been traveling for like 13 hours straight and I do not want to be on the phone. I'm able to email my clients, text my clients, and I have an amazing assistant as well, and he is amazing at his job. He's stellar at his job. So I know that if it's a day where I do not want to speak on the phone, I absolutely do not have to. And I'm going to list a few people that I speak on the phone with literally on a daily basis. It's in no specific order, so it's not from one being the most to the last number being the least. It's no order, it's just how I thought of it and I said, let's roll with it. So the first person that I'm speaking with on the phone, literally on a daily basis, they are mortgage lenders. Mortgage lenders are the ones that are sending me these deals. They're approving people to shop for a home. So when they're looking for insurance, they're referring them to me, and they'll call me and say, hey, Kenny, hope your day is going well. I hope business is going well. I have 2 to 3 clients for you. I love those calls. Those calls are absolutely my favorite. Just knowing that they're sending me business and they trust me as an insurance professional. And I always say that no matter how big or how small or how many deals someone has sent me, I am equally as grateful, because I know that every time you think of me and you send me business, that you trust me and you're trusting me with your client, and that means the world to me as a business owner. Because if I'm referring my clients to someone as well, I want to refer them to someone that is the best at their job, is going to get the job done correct the first time. And of course, because mortgage lenders are in the real estate field, of course, the next people that I thought of were realtors. Speaking with realtors, I love my referral partners that are realtors. They're a little bit more laid back, in my opinion, than the mortgage lenders. They're like, hey, Kenny, listen, I got a deal. They're about to close in 10 days. She ain't even shop for no insurance. Can you help? I'm like, of course, I got you. Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna get a quote over to you. And it's more of a laid back relationship. I will say that I do close more deals with lenders than I do realtors. Lenders are always sending me deals. And that is a piece of advice to you all. Chase the lenders, not the realtors, because the lenders are the ones that have the final say. They are the ones that are approving them. They touch every step of the home buying process. So even when you find the home, guess who you're communicating with? The lender. So I would highly recommend, look at these lenders, reach out to them and see how you can become their preferred insurance agent or their broker. And I'm very honored and privileged that I have a lot of referral partners that I am their preferred agent. It means the world to me, and that is how I'm able to consistently have these leads coming in without putting any money out. Of course, the next person on the list, the next group of people on the list are my absolute favorite. They are my heart. They are everything to me, my clients. My clients, honestly, they call, it's always a good interaction. Like, I don't have any bad interactions with my clients ever. I always keep a tab on what they're doing, and I have a lot of clients. But when I speak to them, it's like family. It's like I'm in one big family, and every day that family is growing. But my clients know that they can call me if they have anything, if they have any questions, and I'm here to help, and I'm also here to listen. Sometimes I'll be speaking with the client, they're getting a new policy, and they say, you know what, I just had a rough day, I just need to talk. And I'm there for you. Like, as your insurance agent, I want to be someone that you feel safe and comfortable with, because if so, you're not going to want to leave me as an agent. It's been times where my clients have literally called me and said, Kenny, this agent tried to get me to come over there, and yeah, they were a little cheaper, but I mean, the service I get over here is immaculate. I always want to provide that luxury service for my clients, because what is separating me from the next person? My customer service and my knowledge in the industry. The next group of people that I talk to on a regular basis, on a consistent basis, on a daily basis, are my carriers, for a number of reasons, from policy changes to questions to renewals. Anything like that, I'm speaking with the carriers, whether it's on the phone, which it usually is, but sometimes email, and very rarely fax. I'll get a fax every now and then from my carriers, but I'm speaking with my carriers. They'll take me out to lunch. They'll talk with me. They'll check in on me. Sometimes we'll go over sales, numbers, revenue, all that good stuff. I love speaking with carriers. They always keep me on my toes. So if I forget to turn in something, or they're waiting on a document, they're like, hey, like, where the document at? Like, we gave you a week. We don't want to cancel this policy. So they always keep me on top of my stuff, and they're very knowledgeable as well. So of course, as an agent, as a broker, I am knowledgeable, but behind me stands all these powerful and knowledgeable carriers that pour into me. And that's how I'm able to provide such an elite level of customer service and provide that knowledge, is because of my carriers. Without them, I wouldn't know half of the things that I know in insurance. I've learned so much from the carriers, from the trainings they provide, from the one-on-one calls we've had, and even situations that we run into, the one-off situations, I learned. So the next time I have that situation, I know exactly what to do and what steps to take. The next group of people that I talk to on a daily basis, I put mortgage lenders and realtors in their own section, but referral partners, every day, I'm very, very, very grateful for that. Like, I always want to say that, because it does mean the world to me. But I talk to my referral partners every day. They're sending me deals. Some of my referral partners, my newer ones, are following up with me and said, hey, like, if they don't hear from me, did you close Mr. Smith? No, I'm following up with him on Tuesday to see what's going on. He told me to give him a call back. They'll follow up with me like that. So I'm speaking with my referral partners on a daily basis. Whenever my referral partners call, I drop what I'm doing and I handle them, because I need them to know that they are top priority. Because when they feel like they are top priority, they don't mind sending you business. They know that you're going to handle their business right the first time, and that is my biggest thing. I'm always following up, asking for feedback, because I want to be a better partner to them as well, because it is a two-way street. So if you're not already, check in with your referral partners to see, is there anything that I could do better? Take them to lunch, reach out to them and just talk, because if there's something that's bothering them and you ask them, they will definitely let you know. Thankfully, none of my referral partners have had anything bad or negative to say, but I'm always asking just to make sure that I'm doing the best possible job for them and their clients. Another group of people that I talk to on a regular basis are these exam companies. So what I mean by exam companies are the people that are doing the life insurance exams or the medical exams for these life insurance clients. A lot of my clients have to do a blood sample, a urine sample, height, weight, all that good stuff. And the exam companies are following up with me to let me know, hey, Miss Smith came today, she did her exam, we're sending her blood work to X, Y, and Z, and we'll keep you updated. Or if I don't hear from them, I'm reaching out saying, hey, like, what's going on with this client? Do we have any updates? Are we waiting on medical records and things like that? So I talk to them. My calls with them are very like 1, 2, 3 off the phone, but they always are very, very helpful. So when I do call them or they call me, I know that it's going to be a very productive call. And the last group of people that I talk to on a regular basis are banks. A lot of people get their homes and their cars financed through the bank. So when I'm speaking to the banker, sending all the paperwork over, I enjoy talking to the bankers. I don't know what it is. It's always like good rapport. I learn a lot from them when I speak to them. So I enjoy when my clients go through a bank for financing, because I'm able to speak with the bankers, grow these relationships that are going to help me down the line in my business. And I remember one banker was like, listen, Kenny, if you're open, I'm willing to send you business. I enjoy doing this deal with you. And I'm like, of course. So always when you're providing service or working with a third party for your client, give them the best service because you never know, they may be able to send you business as well. And those are the top groups of people that I speak with on a daily basis for my clients as an agency owner in the insurance industry, as you all know. If you are in insurance, who are some people that you talk to on a regular basis as an insurance professional? I would love to see any type of people, any groups of people that I did not name. Put them in the description box below. Would love to know who you're communicating with. And hey, I may even learn a thing or two as well. Always be a student of the game. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. Again, my name is Kenny J, the Insurance Guru, and this is Kenny J TV.